As the sun rises over the Sundarbans, the jungle awakens, and with it, the apex predator begins.
The Great Migration continues, a timeless journey where mothers fiercely protect the next generation as they cross the rushing waters. Driven by instinct and tight family bonds, the pack executes a coordinated hunt across the frozen landscape. With a swift movement, the bear secures its prize. The salmon run is critical for the survival of the cubs, who eagerly await their meal on the bank. Adapted for the hunt, the gharial faces its biggest challenge after emerging from the nest. Only a few will survive the journey to the river.
This is the Great Migration, a spectacle of life and death, where the herds must face the constant threat of the savanna's apex predators.